In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a ChatGPT conversation in 2025. Whether you want to keep a hard copy for your records or share it with others, this guide will walk you through each step in a straightforward manner. So let's get started. First, let's open up your web browser. Once you have that ready, you'll head over to Google. This is your search engine's start point, which we'll use to quickly find the ChatGPT platform. Once on Google, simply type ChatGPT into the search bar. This will help us direct you straight to the ChatGPT website. You should see ChatGPT appear in your search results. What you'll do next is click on the official ChatGPT website link. This will take you directly to the platform where you can access your past conversations. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, it's time to identify which conversation you want to print. Navigate through your chat history and select the specific conversation you're interested in. Once you've selected that, your conversation will open, and you'll see its contents displayed on your screen. With your chosen chat now open, let's move to the next step. Click on the search bar visible at the top. This is where we will initiate the process of preparing your chat for download. In this search bar, you want to type a simple prompt. An example prompt you could use is, "Make a PDF copy of this conversation." This will instruct the ChatGPT system to ready the conversation in a format suitable for downloading and printing. Once the system has processed your request, you should see an option appear to download PDF. Click on this button. Doing so will initiate the download process, ensuring that your conversation is saved as a PDF file onto your computer. This is a key step in preserving the format of your chat while ensuring it's ready for print. After the PDF has been successfully downloaded, it's time to open the file. Locate where the PDF has been saved on your computer, typically found in your Downloads folder, and double-click to open it. The conversation will now be available in a fixed and printable format. The final step is printing. With your PDF file open, press the Control key and the P key simultaneously on your keyboard. This command will bring up the print dialog box, where you can adjust settings like the number of copies and printer selection according to your preferences. Once satisfied, click the Print button. And there you have it. Your ChatGPT conversation is now printed and ready for whatever use you might have in mind. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Happy printing!